It starts quietly. 999 on a receipt, a license plate, a random timestamp, right when life feels like it's shifting. You pause because it keeps showing up, and somehow it feels less like coincidence and more like a message. In spiritual numerology, 999 points to completion, an ending that makes room for something new to begin. Stay to the end, because I'll give you a simple 999 reset ritual and comment where you keep seeing it. The number 9 carries themes of wisdom, compassion, and closing cycles after the lesson has been learned. When that energy repeats 3 times, the message gets louder. A chapter is finishing, and you're ready to evolve. This doesn't always mean a breakup or dramatic loss. It can be the end of a mindset, habit, or identity. Think graduation, not punishment. Harvest, not failure. Release, not defeat. 999 is completion with purpose. Sometimes 999 appears when you've outgrown a role, a routine, or a version of yourself you built for survival. You may still look the same on the outside, but inside, your standards, boundaries, and desires are changing. That's why closure matters here. 999 often asks for emotional closure, not just external change. Closure isn't always getting answers. Sometimes closure is choosing peace without another conversation, apology, or explanation. It can mean forgiving yourself, ending the replay loop, and letting the lesson stay without letting the pain stay. If 999 keeps appearing, ask, what am I still carrying that already belongs to the past? You don't have to force a perfect ending. You only need an honest one, a written goodbye, a final decision, a boundary, a cleaned up space. Small actions can seal a chapter. Here's the part most people miss. 999 is not only an ending number, it's a transition number. It often shows up in the in-between, when the old life is fading but the new one isn't fully visible yet. That space can feel uncomfortable, emotional, even lonely. But it doesn't mean you're off track. It means you're between identities and your nervous system is catching up with your growth. So when things feel uncertain, 999 can be a reminder. You are not lost. You are crossing a threshold. Instead of asking, why is this ending? Try asking, what is this making possible? Many spiritual interpretations also connect 999 with service, compassion, and living more aligned with your deeper values. This doesn't mean your life must become dramatic or mystical overnight. It means becoming more honest and useful. Where are you shrinking to stay comfortable? Where are your gifts asking to be used more fully? 999 can arrive when your soul wants less performance and more authenticity. It's the energy of finishing what no longer fits, so your real work can finally breathe. In love, 999 may signal the end of unhealthy patterns, people-pleasing, avoidance, or confusing intensity with connection. It doesn't automatically mean break up. It may mean the relationship must mature, or your boundaries must. In career, 999 often appears when a role, project, or path has taught you what it came to teach. That may be your cue to complete loose ends, update your portfolio, and prepare for work that fits better. In personal growth, 999 can mark the end of old stories like I'm behind, I can't, or I'm not enough. So what should you do when you see 999? Start with one word. Name the ending. Next, choose one thing to release, an obligation, belief, habit, or fear that drains your energy. Then create closure and open space. Journal, decide, clean, delete, forgive, and take one small, aligned step. And keep a balanced perspective. Angel numbers are spiritual tools for reflection, not scientific proof. Meaning grows through action. If 999 has been following you? Drop your story in the comments. Like, subscribe, share, and tap thanks for more.